Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology topic, that is from the NASA. NASA SPHEREx is launching to map the universe in infrared. To map the universe, entire universe we have to map through this telescope. That telescope is a NASA SPHEREx telescope, right? So this is more advanced telescope NASA SPHEREx is launching to map the universe in infrared. So what is the information is there in this SPHEREx, we have to see in this video. NASA SPHEREx telescope is launched to study the universe origin. What is the main aim of the NASA SPHEREx? To study the universe origin. What is the origin of the universe? When universe is exploded, right? How universe is evaluated? How many years back universe is begin? So these things we come to know. For that we are studying this one. So NASA SPHEREx telescope is launched to study the universe origin. A NASA telescope megaphone-shaped, it is a megaphone-shaped SPHEREx. SPHEREx means Spectro-Photometer for the history of universe, epoch of reionization and ice explorer. ICES explorer. Once again you have to see what is the abbreviation of the SPHEREx means. Spectro-Photometer for the history of the universe. Spectro-Photometer for the history of the universe, epoch of reionization, and ICES explorer, So this is the, which one it is? ICES explorer. ICES explorer, we call it as a ICES explorer. That is the telescope name. SPHEREx means Spectro-Photometer for the history of the universe, epoch of reionization and ICES explorer. This is the, which one it is? So this is the definition of this is the definition of the abbreviation of the SPHEREx. Maybe in your competitive exam people are going to ask what is the abbreviation of the SPHEREx also. You remember, SPHEREx means Spectro-Photometer for the history of the universe, epoch of reionization and ICES explorer. Was launched by SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base into space from the California. So in California, so there is a Elon Musk space agency is there, that is the SpaceX agency. They are using the big rocket, that is the Bahubali rocket of the SpaceX, that Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base, into space from California. So what is the duration of this SPHEREx? The duration of this SPHEREx telescope works 2 years, it can sustainably works. After working the 2 years, what is the main aims? Once you have to see, SPHEREx addresses the NASA's 3 core astrophysics goals. What are those 3 core astrophysics goals? Once you have to see, the first goal is probe the origin and destiny of the universe. First goal, what are the first goal of the SPHEREx? To probe the origin and destiny of the universe. SPHEREx maps the large scale 3-dimensional distributions of galaxies to study the inflationary birth of the universe. To study the inflationary birth of the universe, that is the first goal. What is the first goal? Probe the origin and destiny of the universe. So that is the first goal. What is the second goal? Explore whether planets around other stars would harbor life. So how the harbor life can coming, so those things, this is the second aim. So SPHEREx surveys water and key ingredients for life in interstellar ices through the early stages of the star and planet information. They are going to get it. So explore whether planets around other stars could harbor life. So these things can manage. So the third one is, what is the third one? Explore the origin and evaluation of the galaxies. So this SPHEREx telescope explore the origin and evaluation of the galaxy in the universe. How many galaxies are there? How these galaxies are explored? So those things can explain. SPHEREx traces the total light emitted over cosmic time from the first stars to modern galaxies. This is the very important. The first one reveals the exotic energy that propelled the Big Bang theory. So inflation 10 to the power of minus 32 second, cosmic microwave background. So 3,80,000 years back, the galaxies trace large scale structure. Present day 13.8 giga years are there. So this is the exploration of the Big Bang theory. Whenever the Big Bang theory, the earth will be like this. After so 13.8 giga years, our earth, present earth will be like this is there. The traces organic ices in the evaluation of the planetary systems. So water and organic ices form in molecular clouds 0 mega years back. So stars from with protoplanetary disk 1 to 5 mega years back. Planets form from disks containing biogenic ices 5 mega years plus we have to get it. Now you able to see, measure the cosmic history of the galactic light production. So this is the measures the cosmic history of the galactic light production also. What is the cosmic history? How the cosmic rays is coming in the universe. The first stars ignite 200 mega years back. Thus reionization 600 mega years back. Galaxies form and evolve. So nowadays the galaxies are like this. So these informations will give. So through whom? Through the SPHEREx telescope. What are the objectives of the SPHEREx telescope? Once you have to see, the mission aims to deepen the understanding of a phenomenon known as cosmic inflation. What is the understanding the phenomena of cosmic inflation? Referring to the universe rapid and exponential expansion after the Big Bang that occurred roughly 13.8 billion years ago. 13.8 billion years ago the Big Bang is happened. So those things we have to discuss using the SPHEREx telescope. It will map the universe while detecting two kinds of cosmic light, optical and infrared. So it will map. So it will give the map. So while detecting the two kinds of cosmic light, one optical light, they will, another one is infrared light. So the optical means whatever the visible we are seeing, those things are the optical. The invisible, that is the infrared light is there. It will create a three-dimensional map of the cosmos in 102 colors, individual wavelengths of light, and will study the history and evaluation of the galaxies. This is very important information. Being launched along with SPHEREx is a constellation of the satellites for NASA's Punch also. Being launched along with SPHEREx is a constellation of satellites for NASA's Punch, short for polarimeter, to unify the corona and heliosphere mission to better understanding the solar wind, the continuous flow of charged particles from the sun. How the charged particles, continuous flow of charged particles from the sun, how it will happen, those things we have to explain by using the NASA's Punch mission. The mission involves 4 suitcase sized satellites that will observe the sun and its environment. So this Punch mission involves 4 suitcase sized satellites. We have already we discussed what is the Punch mission already in previous videos is available, you have to see. This is very important telescope to map the universe, how the universe is evaluated. So these things we come to know by using the SPHEREx telescope. Please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Like this information I will give you, is to utilize this chance, and you have to read and meditate and then get the success in your competitive examination. Thank you so much.